The community of Pallotti Vikas extends its warmest greetings to all of you, wishing you all blessed Christmas, and I pray God's blessing on this special day. I am sure the month of December is quite hectic in our busy schedule for all of us. Making crib, star, Christmas tree, decorations, and the list goes on. Never forget, Christmas is a season of joy, but sadly, this joy is being slowly taken away from us. Yes, we have depicted in this crib the problems that we face in this world. Thus, our joy gets affected. Problems like border tension, war, terrorism, murder, corruption, jealousy, hatred, communalism, rape, and so on. Yes, all these problems exist in this world. But the good news is that Jesus has come to repair the world. Jesus is born for us to repair this world, to repair this broken world, to heal this world. We have symbolically depicted a spanner here. Spanner is used to repair something. Jesus has come into this world, as I said, to repair this world, but not through a spanner. But He has given us a beautiful toolbox. Now the question arises, what is there in this toolbox? Yes, Bible, Sacraments, 10 Commandments, Rosary, prayers, devotion to Mary, devotion to saints, Novenas, retreats, and acts of charity. I am sure if we work hard by using these tools, surely we can erase all these problems that are existing in this world. My dear friends, let us celebrate this Christmas not in saddened heart and mind, but let us celebrate it with joyful hearts, because Jesus has come to repair the world. May God bless you all, and I pray God's blessing on this special day.